Hello everyone, today I'm sharing how to crochet a heart keychain like this. Materials need blue and white yarn, 2mm, 2.5mm crochet hook, a sewing needle, stuffing, and scissors. Create a magic ring with the blue yarn. Chain 2, 1, 2, then crochet 10 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the magic ring. Skip the first stitch. In the second stitch, crochet 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the third stitch, 1 half double crochet. In the fourth stitch, 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. In the fifth stitch, 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, a double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. In the sixth stitch, 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. In the seventh stitch, a half double. In the eighth stitch, crochet 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip the 9 and slip stitch into the 10th stitch. Cut the yarn and hide the tail on inside. Make another heart in the same way. Crochet pumpkin border with white yarn. Place the 2 half pieces together. Start at the first chain stitch of the front row, just before the double crochet. Here, crochet through the inner edging of both half pieces. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. and pull the yarn up to match the height of the chain 2. Repeat this 3 more times. 2, 3, 4. Put the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Slip stitch and chain 2, 1, 2. Slip stitch into the next position. Repeat the popcorn stitch pattern. At the middle of the heart, chain any number of stitches to create the hanging loop of your desired length. Slip stitch into the next position. And continue making popcorn stitch. Near the end, stuff the heart before complete the popcorn stitch border. Cut a long piece of yarn to shell and shape a bow for the keychain. We just complete a beautiful hat that can be used as a decoration or a keychain. Thank you for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video.